So good evening, guys. So today we are going to learn about the STO process. So STO is nothing but the stock transport order. So exactly what is meant by STO? So in STO means we learn about the movement type. What we learn in the movement type, it is the physical and logical movement of goods from one plant or storage location to the other plant and the other storage location. So in stock transfer order, we are going to learn how the stock is moved from one plant to other plant. Okay, one plant to the other plant. So that is nothing but the stock transfer order. So in SAP, there are two types of stock transfer order. Okay, one is the intra STO. Okay, one is the intra STO. Then question is that what is my intra STO? Okay, so in the intra STO, the stock transfer happens between two plant, or we can say a storage location under same company code. Okay. So guys, yesterday we learned about the intercompany sales. At that time, what will happen? The selling organization and delivering plant belongs to the different company code. So intra means same company code and inter means different company code. Okay. Similarly, we can narrate the definition for the inter STO. Inter STO or intra company STO. Here intra company STO. Okay. Then what is my inter STO, intercompany STO? The definition will be the remain same. That stock transfer happen between two plant and storage location. Here, what will be the definition? Instead of under, here between two company code. Okay. So this is the definition of intra-company STO and inter-company STO. So intra means the stock transfer happen between two plant or storage location under same company code, and intercompany means if the stock transfer happen between two plant and storage location under storage location between two company code. So company code will be different. Okay. So guys, please remember the purchase order or for the stock transfer order, the purchase document type is UB. Okay, so please remember for STO purchase document type is UB. Okay, so please remember this is very basic. This is very important. Okay, so as I told you, I mean here intra-company STO and intercompany STO. So along with that, in which there is one-step procedure and two-step procedure. Okay, one-step procedure and two-step procedure. So what is the one-step procedure and two-step procedure that we are going to learn? So let's say it is the STO. Okay, so in the STO, we do have the intra-company STO. Intra-company STO, and second one is the intercompany STO. Okay, second one is the intercompany STO. So in which, so the delivery type will be there. Okay. Along with that, we also learn the schedule line category. line category. Also, we should know the item category. Along with that, we should know the movement type. Okay, here let's say one step procedure, and here let's say two step procedure. Two step procedure. So here we are going to learn what is meant by one step procedure and what is meant by two step procedure. Okay. Okay, one step procedure and two steps procedure. So here intra-company means the stock is transferring under the same company code between two plant and storage location. So guys, please remember delivery type for the intra-company STO is NL. Schedule line category for the intra-company STO is NN. Item category for the intra-company STO is N, L, N. And one step procedure. Okay. So here movement type. Movement type. So for the movement type, that is one step. Okay. And here, let's say movement type for the two step. Okay. So here intra-company STO delivery type is NL, schedule line category is NN, item category is NLN, and movement type for the for the intra-company STO one step procedure. Okay, so that is 647. So please remember. Okay, and the for the two step procedure it is 641. Okay, similarly for the intercompany STO, the delivery document type is NLCC, schedule line category is NC, item category is NLC, and the movement type for the one step procedure is 645, and for the two step procedure it is 643. So guys, please remember movement type for the one step procedure, if you compare 647 and 641, 647 is higher one. In the intercompany STO, as compared to 643 and 647, 645 is the higher. So in movement type for the one step procedure, it is goes toward higher side. So for the one step procedure, intra-company movement type supposed to be 647, and for the two step procedure, it is 641. Similarly, movement type for the intercompany STO, for the one step procedure, it is 645, and for the two step procedure, it is 643. So guys, you should know that movement type. Okay. So it will the advantages to you. Okay. So again, if you ask me the definition of the one step procedure and two step procedure, so let me note it down. What is the difference between one step procedure and the two step procedure? One step procedure. Okay. So the definition is one step procedure is that, yeah, here obviously stock is transferring from one plant to the one plant to the other plant. Okay. So in the one step procedure, the stock updation is take place immediately in both the plant. For example, let's say stock is transferring from 1000 plant to the 1100 plant. So in single click, stock is transferred from 1000 plant to the 1100 plant. Okay. So let me note it down the definition of the one step procedure. The stock updation take place take place in both the plant at a time. So guys, these are the interview question, huh? So it means that in one step procedure, no migo is no migo. It means that no good receipts. No, no goods receipt is required. No goods is required. However, in two-step procedure, okay, two-step procedure, what will happen? Okay, okay. The stock updation will not happen unless and until we do migo. That is goods receipts. Goods receipt. Okay. So here what will happen? Here in one step procedure, we can say no migo in one step procedure, migo is not required. However, in two-step procedure, migo is required unless and until we will not do good receipt. We have to be do the goods receipt. Okay. Also, we can say that in one step in two-step procedure, the stock will be in transit. Stock will be in transit, and we can check stock in transit by using T code MB52, MB5T. Okay, MB5T. So guys, these are the these are the basic definition for the STO procedure and stock transfer order. Okay. So I will let us go to the system and explain you what are the setup required to do the STO. So let me go to the system, and one more thing guys here. So let us see, we are transferring the stock from here. We are transferring the stock, let's say 1000 plant to 1100 plant. 1000 plant to the 1100 plant. So these are we are going to do. So this is the scenario to transfer the stock from 1000 plant to the 1100 plant. So to do this setup, what are the prerequisites that I am going to explain? Okay. So let us go to the system \n. Let me log into the system. Okay. So SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and we have to be go guys material management. Okay. So basically STO is the SDMM integration. Okay. In which we have to be go to the purchasing. Under purchasing, we have to be go to the purchase order, and under purchase order, here we do have the setup stock transport order. So just go inside that, and here we have to be perform step one by one. Here first is that create checking rule. So just go inside that, and here the checking rule should that SD order with A. Okay, so this is the one setup. For the second step setup, define checking rule. So just go inside that, guys. We are in the availability check, we are going to learn in detail. So here how we supposed to be perform the rule, whether it is daily requirement or whether it is the individual requirement. So if we go to the 01, okay, and here ESD order, okay, daily requirement ESD order, okay, or we can go, I think, 01, and here RFE. Yeah, daily 01, here RP. Here replacement, okay, 01, that is daily requirement, and replacement. Replacement is nothing but the guys, we are moving the stock from one plant to the other plant. Okay, replacement means what? We are going to move the stock from one plant to the other plant. Okay. Okay. So this is the one setup. Then here assign delivery type and checking rule. Assign delivery type and checking rule. As I already explained you guys, there is a delivery type is there for intra STO and the intercompany STO. So assign delivery type and checking rule. Okay. So go to the position. Let's say my document type is the NL for the, see here, my document type is NL, and here checking rule. Checking rule is the B, that is ESD delivery. Okay, or here ESD order and all is there. And here, as I already told you, the document type for the STO, that is UB. Okay, so this setup is also there. Okay, so if you see here, our plant is there, right? Here replacement. Okay, so we are moving supplying plant. What is our supplying plant? 1000. Okay, and here delivery document type. Okay, NL, because we are going to perform the intra company STO. Okay, and replacement means what? We are transferring the good from one place to the one plant to the other plant. So here, as I already told you, here we are transferring the stock from 1000 plant to the 1100 plant. So here supplying plant is the 100. So this setup is there. Okay, and here delivery document type, and here RP is there. Why? Because we have the replacement. We are transferring the stock from one plant to the other plant. Okay, and here very important thing is there. Assign document type one step procedure under delivery tolerance. So just execute it. Okay, and here go to the position. My supplying plant is the 1000, and my receiving plant is the 1100. Okay, so see here. See here. So supplying plant, receiving plant, and here UB, that is the purchase document type. Okay, so here how to differentiate between one step procedure and two step procedure. Okay, so guys, if you observe here, here one checkbox is there, one step procedure. So what we will do, first of all, we will perform the one step procedure. So because of that, I'm going to select this and save the detail. Okay, save the detail. Apart from this, we required the setup define shipping data for plant. Okay, so guys, here I would like to say one more thing. Here this is the supplying plant and this is the receiving plant. Okay, so for plant 1100, who is the customer? 1000, na? Right? Am I right? Yes. So we are supplying the goods to the 1100 plant. So for the 1100 plant, so here 11,000 plant is the customer. So how to do that setup? So this plant, 1000 plant should be act as a customer. And to whom we are delivering the plant? we are delivering the plant to the 1100 plant. So 1100 plant should be act as a ship to party, okay, or receiver. So how to do this setup? So guys, for that purpose, we have the one setup here, that is define shipping data for plant. So just execute it. Okay, just execute it. So let me check first 1000 plant and go to the detail. So if you see their customer number plant, so that customer 1185 is act as the customer. So here customer number plant. So 1185 it act as a customer, and it is this plant is extended to the 1000 10 and 00 sales organization. Similarly, so this is the ship to party. Who is ship to party? 1100 plant is act as a ship to party. So that setup also we have to be do in the system. So 1100 is there. So go to the detail, and if you see here customer number, so 300,215, this customer is act as a ship to party. So this is a tricky question, and this is the interview question. How both the plant act as a customer and ship to party. Okay. So this is the one setup. So already we have this customer, so no need to worry. So guys, this is the primary setup required for the STO. Okay, so these are the primary setup is required for the STO. And one more thing is there in this in the STO process, we are going to use material as, okay, we are going to use material that is nothing but the that material is antenna dash 1. So this is the standard material which is already defined into the system. So we are going to use the material ANTE-NA-1. Okay, so this material is we are going to use. Okay, and this material should be extended to the both plant. So how to check whether that material is extended to both the plant or not? What is the table at plant level? What is the table at plant level? Can anyone tell me? MARC na guys? Plant data. So let me put that material antenna 1 and execute it. Okay. So this antenna 1, that material is I will extended to the 1000 and 1100, and also it is extended to the 3000. So our requirement is that that material should be extended to the plant 100, plant 1000 and the 1100. So this prerequisite is also done. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I am going to perform the STO procedure. Okay. So to perform the STO, we have to be go to, let me open the new screen. So we have to be create the purchase order for that. Okay. We have to be create the purchase order. And guys, to create the purchase order, we have the T code ME21N. Okay. So this is the T code we have. Okay. As I already told you, we are going to use the purchase order type, purchase document type as a UB for the STO. This is the standard one. Okay. And here we have to be put the purchase organization. So basically we got to know the about the purchase organization and all from the team. But here I am going to take 1000 0001 and my company code is 1000. Okay. So now tell me, who is the supplying plant here? Supplying plant is 100. So 1000 is the supplying plant, right? So 1000 is supplying plant, and here I have to be put the material. What is my material? Antenna dash 1. Okay, antenna dash 1, and here I have to be put the plant. Here plant is nothing but the receiving plant, and who is my receiving plant? 1100 is my receiving plant, and along with that I have to be put the quantity. So let us say I am going to put the quantity as a 100. Okay, let us say I am going to put the quantity of the 100. And before that, I have to be check the stock status of that particular material, whether that material is available or not for the supplying plant, that is 1000. So let me open one more screen. Okay. MMBE is the T code to check the stock status. Okay. MMBE is the T code to check the stock status. So what I will do, I will just put the my material number and execute it. Okay. So guys, observe here. So for the 1000 plant, total 980 quantities available. Okay, and for the 1100 plant, the only 20 quantities available. Only 20 quantities available. So just keep in mind. So now what we are doing, we are creating the one-step procedure STO. Okay, so 1000 quantities there, my delivering plant is there, and here we have to be mention the storage location. Or in which storage location we have to be kept this stock. So my receiving plant is the 1100. So in 1100, so as this is the storage location, so 0001 in that storage location, I have to be keep this stock 0001. Okay, so I'll just click on enter. Okay, so here we have the information about the yeah, here we are like in the third party sales process, we have learned the things about regarding the purchase order. Okay, so here delivery schedule is there. Okay, so we are going to deliver the 100 quantity. Okay, that committed quantity is 100. Okay, and we are going to deliver this on uh, today's date, that is 1st of October. Okay, so along with that, yeah, so here delivery will be there. Okay, so and then account assignment in the third party sales process, we have seen about the in account assignment sales order number and all is there. Here delivery address is there. Okay, so what is the delivery address? So this is the delivery address here. What is very irritating. Okay, so here delivery address is there. Okay, and shipping. Yeah. See here, guys. Here ship to party. Customer means what? Ship to party. Here shipping na. So 300215. From where that ship to parties came? So that ship to parties came from where? We already just now I shown you. Okay. So this ship to parties came from the 1100 plant. See here 300215. Right? 300215. Okay. And also shipping point. Shipping point means from where we are deliver the goods. So shipping point is from the 1000 plant. Okay, loading group, shipping condition, and all this information is there. Okay, and here sales organization, from which sales organization we are transferring and to whom we are delivering. That is nothing but the ship to party. Okay, so let me check whether my purchase order is good or not. Yeah, so my no message, it means that my purchase order is good. So now I'm going to create the purchase order. Okay, so my purchase order number is, I have created the purchase order number. So what is my purchase order number now? So I have created my purchase order number. Okay, so let me note it down, that purchase order number. Okay, uh, PO. Okay, and here I will put the, what I will put, intra STO. STO one step. One step. Okay, now I have to be create the delivery. So how to create the delivery? And let us see what is the stock status. Okay, so here 980 is there, and here 20 is there. So just refresh it whether any changes is there or not. Okay, no changes there. Now what I need to do, I have to be create the delivery. So guys, please remember, to create the delivery, we have the T code in the STO, that is VL10B. Okay, so this is the delivery. Okay, and here purchase we have to be create with reference to the purchase order. So guys, here we are creating the delivery with reference to the purchase order number, and this is my purchase order number, and just execute it. Okay, and guys, very listen here carefully. So here, if you see here, show and hide delivery. Okay, so just click on here. SD document means delivery document. So just click on it and select all. Okay, and here you have to be create on the create delivery in background. Observe here, guys. Create delivery in background. So just click on the create delivery in background, and we got the delivery number. Okay, so this is my delivery number. Okay, so this is my delivery number. Okay, if I go to the delivery, see here guys, we ship to party 300215, and where we maintain that ship to party, we have maintained that ship to party to the receiving plant. Okay, and here my picking is there. Okay, what picking and all I have to be do. So let me note it down, that delivery outbound delivery number. Okay, and here VL VL10B. So just now I have created. So this is also I have created. Now I have to be perform what? I have to be perform picking and all. Okay, I have to be perform picking and all. Okay. See here, guys. Now here on order stock. Earlier it is 2. Now I have created the delivery for the 100 quantity. So because of that, here earlier 2 is there. Now on order stock is 102. Okay. Now let me go to the delivery and create the delivery document. Okay. So this is the replacement delivery. Why it is called as replacement delivery? Because we are transferring the stock from one storage location or plant to the other storage location and the plant. So to create the delivery, to complete the picking, we have the T code VL02N. Okay. So is it correct delivery, guys? Yeah, 102. Okay. So here observe the things, guys. Here overall picking stock status not yet picked. Here picking quantity is 0. Why picking quantity is 0? Because in the if you want to do the picking, and that picking, the picking supposed to be done through the transfer order. Here see here overall WM status transfer, warehouse management transfer order required. So how to create the transfer order? So we can create the transfer order. Go to the subsequent function and create transfer order. Okay, and click on yes. Okay, just click on enter. So here stock and click on the save. Okay, create TO, that is transfer order for delivery. Okay, and save this. So guys, observe here. So we have created the transfer order successfully. So this is my transfer order. Okay, let me note it down. This is my transfer order. So TO, transfer order. Okay. So now I have created the transfer order. So, okay, let me check the stock status. Still here, on order stock is 102. Why it is 102? Because we have not completed the PGI. So what I will do, I will go again in the outbound delivery VL02N. Okay. And my outbound delivery here is, see here guys, see here, picking, earlier picking quantities blank. Now automatically that 1000 is came because of the transfer order and fully picked. Now I have to do the PGI. Okay, so my PGI is done, and observe the stock status, guys. Here on order stock is 102, right? In the 1000 plant, sorry, in the 1000 plant, we have the quantity 980. In 1100 plant, on order stock is 102, and here in 1100 plant, the unrestricted use is only 20 quantity. Let me refresh the system. See here, guys, whatever the changes in 1000 company, now earlier 980 stock is there. Now only 880 is there. Here on order stock, earlier it is 102 is there. Now that on order stock is transferred to the 1100 plant. That is now the earlier in 1100 the stock status is only 20. Now it is 120. So once we do the PGI in single click, the stock is immediately transferred from 1000 plant to the 1100 plant. 1100 plant, that is 120 quantities there. Earlier only 20 quantities there. Okay, earlier only 20 quantities there. Yeah. So what is the definition of two-step procedure now? Stock updation will happen unless and until we do the MIGO. Stock updation will not happen unless and until we do the MIGO. So whether we do the MIGO into the one-step procedure, we not did the MIGO in the one-step procedure. Similarly, what we will do now, we will perform the intra STO 2 steps. Okay, intra STO 2 steps. So similarly, I have to be create the purchase order, and as you already know, the purchase order, you know, the to create the steps to for the purchase order ME21N. Okay, so here for the STO procedure. Okay, before that, guys, to perform the two-step procedure, I have to do one more setup. Okay, and that setup is nothing but, okay, can anyone tell me what setup we have to be do here? Assign document type, one step procedure. Okay, so guys, earlier go to the position, my supplying plant is 1000, my receiving plant is 1100. Okay, and here I have to be remove that one step procedure now. Now untick means it is two, by default it is two-step procedure. Okay, let me save this. Okay, let me save this. And now I'm going to create the purchase order, and for the two-step procedure, you know, purchase order is UB, that is STO. My purchase organization is 1000, purchasing group is 009, and company code is 1000. Okay, my supplying plant is 1000. Okay, and my material is same. Okay, and my PO quantity, let's say now 50, I will take the 50. Okay, and my, see here plant is nothing but the receiving plant. My receiving plant is 1100, and I have to be keep this in the 0001 storage location. Okay, okay, so guys, as I already explained all this thing, I don't want to go again over there. Okay, so account assignment, then delivery address. Yeah, so here delivery address is there, and shipping, see here same. Okay, same, all these things, all things are same. Okay, so let me check whether anything is missing. Yeah, everything is fine. So now what I will do, I will save the PO. Okay. So what is my PO? 405. I have created this PO. Okay, so this is my purchase order number. So let me copy this and let me note it down the PO. Okay, so now what I need to do, I have to be create the replacement delivery, and you know what is the T code to create the replacement delivery? VL10B. Okay, so let me go to the VL10B \n VL10B. Okay, and see here purchase order. Let me put the purchase order number as a, okay, let me execute it. Okay, see again here, to see the delivery document, I have to be click on the show hide delivery. Okay, so we have to be select this, or here click on the select all, and we have to be click on the background. Okay, and here my delivery number will be generated. Okay, and if I go to the delivery document, see here, this is my ship to party. For 50 quantity is there, picking quantity, I have to be do the picking with the help of transfer order. Okay, so let me note it down the replacement delivery. Okay, so this is my replacement delivery. Now I have to be do the picking PL02N for the outbound delivery. Okay, and what is my outbound delivery? Just now I have created 103, and here picking is not allowed because it is the WM transfer order is required to perform the picking. So go to the subsequent function, create transfer order. Okay, and yes, just click on enter and save the details. Okay, so here we have created the transfer order. Okay, I have created the transfer order. Now let me note it down the transfer order number. Okay, so let me check the stock status. What is the stock status? It is 880, and just refresh it. See here, guys. Now on order stock is 50, right? In 1000 plant, 880 quantities there, and in the receiving plant, 120 quantities there. Okay. So what I need to do now, I have created the transfer order. Okay, and let me go to the again VL02N backslash N VL02N. Okay, enter. Okay, so here my picking quantity is there. So what I told you to check the stock in transit, what is the T code? MB5T. Somewhere I mentioned here MB5T, right? So let me check what is in MB5T, whether it is showing any in transit stock or not. Okay, so let us see. Okay, MB5T. Okay, okay. So here material, receiving plant. What is my receiving plant? Receiving plant. Here receiving plant company code. Okay, so let me note it. Receiving plant is 1100. Okay, okay. Here stock transfer order. Okay, and just execute it. Okay, so don't worry, guys. Just I'm showing, not an issue. Okay, so here it is blank. Okay, so now what we have to be do? We have to whether we have done the PGI. So for this replacement delivery, we not did the PGI. So first of all, just complete the PGI. Okay. Now PGI is done, and let me check one more time in the MB52. Sorry, MB50. See here. Get it, guys? Stock in transit. Whether stock is directly updated in the 1100 plant. Stock is not updated, na guys? So now what I need to do? I have to be perform the MIGO. Then only that stock supposed to be update into the target plant, that is destination plant, and our destination plant is nothing but the 1100 plant. So what I will do? Let me go to the system. Let me go to the system, and what I will do? Backslash n MIGO. I have to be do the MIGO. That is nothing but the good receipt. And good receipt supposed to be created with reference to the outbound delivery. So here we have to be select A01, that is good receipt, and outbound delivery. What is the reference? Outbound delivery. And what is my outbound delivery number? 103. This is my outbound delivery number. So let me note it down the outbound delivery number and just click on enter. Okay, see here, guys, 50 quantities there. Okay, and which storage location we have to be add. Okay, delivery note, our delivery number is there. Okay, so and here quantity is there, our quantities will fill 50. Where we are going to deliver this to the plant 1100, and their storage location 0001, and stock type unrestricted use, it's supposed to be add in the unrestricted use, right? Purchase order data, let us see what is in the purchase order data. This is my purchase order number. Okay, partner. Okay, account assignment. Okay, so okay, yeah, so all this information is there. We have to be just click on the item. Okay, we have to be click just on the item. Okay, and just click on the check. Yeah, so my document is okay. I got the green signal here, and now I'm going to post. Now I'm going to post, and I have received the MIGO document. Okay, I have received the MIGO document. Okay, and that MIGO document I'm going to put here. MIGO document, and that I'm going to put here. Okay, and how to check stock in transit stock? Control X here, so it will be more clear. Control X. Now I did the MIGO. Shall I check the stock status now? Before that, it is in transit. Still it is not receiving the target plant. Now again I will go here. Whether now the 50 quantity is available, the 50 in transit stock is available. That in transit stock is not available because that stock now here. See, observe the guys. Here in the 1,880 quantities there. On order stock 52 quantities there, and in the 1100 plant 120 quantities there. So if I refresh now, that 880 quantities become 830. Here on order stock from 52, it's supposed to should be 2, and in the 1100 plant, it should be the 170. Got it, guys? So whatever I told, all figures came over here. Okay. So guys, this is nothing but the what? This is nothing but the STO procedure. Okay. So one more thing I would like to show you regarding the delivery document type. Control copy. VL03N. Okay. So this is the two-step procedure. Okay. And what is there? Go to the item overview. Okay. So what is the item category? N, L, N. Same I told you na. Item category for the two-step procedure. What is the item category for the two-step procedure? N, L, N. Right. Similarly, if you go, let me open the new screen. And one-step procedure is there. Okay. And VL03N. Here I'm going to put 2. Sorry guys, so this item category is for the intra. We perform the intra company STO. Okay. So item category is supposed to be for intra company STO NLN. Okay. So here, yeah, moment type is there, guys. So this is for the two-step procedure. And for the two-step procedure, what is the moment type? 641, right? So same thing I have mentioned. 641 for moment type for the two-step procedure. Similarly, let me check the moment type for the one-step procedure. So moment type for the one-step procedure, this is, and go to the goods movement and see here 647, one-step procedure, 6 moment type is 647. And see here for the intra-company moment type for the one-step procedure is 647. Okay. So is it clear, guys? STO procedure.